All right, guys, next job here. Looks like we've got a bit of a crack in whatever this gate is, or basket, or I think he said somebody hit it. So that's what I was tasked with fixing. But I noticed this other crack up here. And then again, just through inspecting everything, I see a bit of a crack there that somebody tried to grind out a bit, but so that's what I've been able to uncover so far. But those three need to be ground out and welded up. I'm thinking carbide burr and 5356 wire. So let's get going. All right, let's take a look at the cracks gouged out. That one's pretty shallow. That one's pretty deep. You can see I chased it there quite a bit. And then got another one over here. This one ran for quite a bit. So you can see it's pretty much right through the tube. It kind of follows the cope, so I wonder if it just cracked the weld right along where the tube was coped. But nonetheless, it's gouged out, it's thin, we'll get full penetration. Here we go. Alright, well there's some of the finished welds. There was a lot of cracks that needed gouging out. And this material is very dirty. So that's why there's a lot of extra weld on here. Just trying to get some clean material and work way around. There's an extra crack there too that needed sealed up, so not the prettiest, but there's a lot of little gouges and gashes, and just did the best to clean it up. But that'll hold, not a problem. So on to the next project.